Projects have unique characteristics that separate them from ongoing operations. They serve a purpose. They meet a need or create value for an organization. Projects create something and have a deliverable. A project can improve an existing product or service, and all projects result in an outcome, either tangible, like a rocket booster, or intangible, like a software update, or even a document that's used by someone else. So let's take a look at the unique characteristics of projects.
First of all, projects are unique. They fill a specific objective. It could be creating a new product or even a service. For example, I launched a formal project plan to create this course. The specific objective of my project was to create and launch a course in project management. I developed a project plan, identified the curriculum, identified the assignments, and put together the course schedule. I recorded videos and uploaded information. This project is unique to this course and this course only. Second, projects are temporary. They have a beginning and an end date. They have a start and a finish. Projects end when either the objectives are met, when the money runs out, or there's no longer a need for the output of the project, or even if a project is canceled or terminated. It's important to know projects have an end date. Without an end date, we consider that operations. Operations are ongoing and more permanent. For example, a project may be undertaken to design and build an assembly line to make automobiles. Once the assembly line is built, tested, and has met the client's specification, it's turned over to client operations to manage, and the project is considered complete. The assembly line still exists. It's now considered part of operations and not a project. Automobiles are being manufactured as part of operations. Next, projects initiate some change for the company. They bring on a change in the status quo. They always initiate some change. An example would be a hardware upgrade for an office. The upgrade could replace obsolete systems with new technology. In this case, the change would be the new computers for the office. And finally, projects create value for the business. And this is the most important characteristic of a project. In our hardware upgrade example, the value created for the business could be an increase in employee efficiency due to increased speed or capacity of the new hardware that's being introduced. Increased efficiency can result in lower costs for the company. Another example could be an increase in data security, which could reduce the risk of a data breach, which is also costly for the company. Again, projects are unique and temporary. They have a beginning and an end. They initiate some change for the company or customer, and at the end of the day, they create value.